All right. Happy friggin' Friday morning, guys. I got my coffee. Currently heading into work right now. It's about 10 after 6. And yeah, I promised you guys. I saw you guys last night about 11 hours ago. Guys are all going down again to the school job. We're gonna take a tour down there this morning and go see them. Today's really humid out today. It's supposed to be, I think, 45 degrees with the Humidex. Time to head down to site. Steph's headed down there with the load of Elgin sand. We got Al, he's headed down there in the other truck too. Let's go down there and show these boys what Friday's all about. Let's do it. Okay, we're here this morning on site. I got Corey here. Hopefully it doesn't sound too echoey just because of the truck cap. Corey's new truck.
New truck. KWC takes care of their family.
Oh, always. So I'm here down at the OCDSB job site, and I wanted to get Corey in on this so that Corey can fill you guys in real quick on somewhat kind of the job that he's doing here.
Guys, we have the biggest septic that our company's ever taken on in one project. Functionality-wise, it works like every other septic. It's just on a bigger scale. And this one just has a little bit different of a dosing that I'll go through in the end of the video that's coming up as we complete the job. But for the last 4 days, we've been excavating and hauling in sand, putting everything on grade. As stands now, we have half the bed installed. Things are great.
How many ton of Elgin sand is it?
We're at about 550 ton of septic sand and about 500 ton of Elgin sand.
Yeah, it's a lot of material in this job. And that's one of the main things is just kind of trucking it. And there's so many, like I was saying in the video before, there's so many kind of steps that we have to follow.
Very logistic-y, like walking dump trucks in, keeping everybody, all the activity that's going on in the school, just being aware of that, keeping everybody safe.
Yeah. Is
a big concern on this job. So, but everybody's been great.
Oh yeah, it's been going good. When do you think that we'll wrap things up here?
My plan, barring any unforeseen circumstances, we should be completely backfilled and cleaned up by next Wednesday. So today's Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I say we got 3 more days on this job and phase 1 should be done. We do have a second phase of this job coming up in August. Logistics, we can't do that job until August. So phase 1 will be complete by Wednesday and we'll go from there.
So maybe we should give them a quick, like, 2-second teaser maybe of just maybe a piece of the equipment or something.
Yeah.
And then
Kenny's out there grading sand right now. You can go give him a quick peek of that.
And then you guys gotta hit subscribe and get ready for this video because it's gonna be awesome.
Big thumbs up.
All right. Maybe give a quick explanation on something.
So Elgin system, we have done a video on an Elgin system. Go to our YouTube channel, check that out if you haven't. Basically just like what I said, on a massive scale. So we have one section of the bed here and we have a section on a different grade out there. Like I said in the other video, these systems you can really manipulate in accordance to the lot. So about half the bed is installed. We're going to be working on that half and finishing that half up today. Everything will be flattened and ready for inspection by the end of today.
Perfect.
I want a coffee. Oh. got all dusty. Oh, wow, you guys look so good. Almost as good as me. All right. Coo. I don't know why it always seems like I'm really hard on things, but I don't know how that happened. I just broke off my Gobi tripod. Awesome. I don't know why it always seems like I'm really hard on things, but I don't know how that happened. I just broke off my Gobi tripod. Awesome. Okay, well, we're about to film something funny. And the vlog, this will be included in the behind the scenes. But I'm about to film a funny Instagram video for Friday. It's sunny out, get everybody in a good mood. I got about 2 hours of free time right now. Well, not free time, just time that I'm dedicating to doing this. So you guys are coming along for the ride. So I need you to go get cowboy boots and a change of clothes. It's about to get wet. Knife safety. Yeah. Best part about these is now I got awesome sleeves. Now we got jorts. Woo! Because we can film this way.
Awesome. Your legs are so white.
Yeah, I know, right?
Because they never see the sun.
Never.
In the dark.
Oh, we got a sponge. Perfect. Oh, wash and wax. This is the good, best stuff. Clean flow, wash and wax. Always use a generous amount, especially when you're making a sexy video like this. The more suds, the better. This is behind the scenes.
Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Oh, wrong way.
That's why you probably don't use construction grades, so. Hey.
All right. Fridays, am I right? Okay, so now this is sketch because it's so slippy.
You need help?
Yeah.
I have really strong arms, so I'll probably be able to
Yeah,
help.
like what the fuck, Abby?
Makes it worse.
Woo! That's a wrap. Okay, now it's time to change. 1, 2. That feels better. All right, well, I think that we're gonna end the video there for today, guys. We started yesterday, we ended today. It's about 10:30 here now. I gotta edit this up, have it ready for you guys this afternoon. So if you watch the entire video, I want to thank you guys. I know it was a little bit different style. We had some equipment stuff in, but guys, really just stay tuned. Be prepared for that big septic job next week. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a killer weekend. Stay hydrated. Oh, no. Didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watched the entire video despite me showing off my cleaning skills. So if you did watch the entire video, I want you guys to comment down below. Comment down below suds in the bucket, because that's what we did today. We got some suds in the bucket. We cleaned something up. It's hot out. We gotta go. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching the entire video. Catch you later.
to you this might be a bit rough.